Hi there. I want to give a little update on our channel, tell you a little bit about us, but first, let me make a coffee. So how do we do? Let's find out. No, I'm not a latte artist. That's good. Nothing beats making your own cappuccinos and lattes at home. We wanted to give everybody a little update and introduction to our channel. We're a little eclectic, but that's our life. We love art and we're interested in a lot of different things. Maria loves to bake, makes the most amazing cakes, pies, cupcakes, and more. Maria also loves to garden. I taught her everything I know in Dubai, and now Maria is a master gardener and knows much more than I do. I've been a photographer most of my life. Fine art, fashion, street photography are my favorite things to photograph. I also enjoy creating abstract paintings, both oil and acrylic. We lived in Dubai when the pandemic began, and before that we were traveling every other month to a different country for 2 to 3 weeks at a time. We had our whole 2020 planned out. We were in Portugal in March of 2020, just barely made it back to Dubai before they locked the country down. That is good. Since we finally had time on our hands and could not travel due to the pandemic, we decided to see if we could start a YouTube channel, something we'd always wanted to do. In December of 2020, we made the decision to move forward and see if we could create something that would be interesting and provide some value. Our channel is based around our travels, but if you remember, I mentioned before that we have eclectic interests. You will find us also talking about espresso, gardening, baking, barbecue, and smoking meat, as well as the occasional equipment review for products that we think are worth sharing. Our main goal is to have fun with our channel. This is something we remind ourselves of occasionally, as we do not want it to be a job. The channel is also a repository of memories for future years. We have no sponsors. We're not affiliated with any company. If we're talking about something, it's because we found it interesting and thought you might as well. We are retired, we're just enjoying life. Our channel will be a little slower paced, and we hope interesting. One of my favorite Hunter S. Thompson quotes is, "Buy the ticket, take the ride." So buy the ticket, come along for the ride if you like what we're doing. After all, this ticket is free. What have you got to lose? Subscribe and occasionally hit that like button. It helps with the algorithm so that other people will find our channel and see what we're up to. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. All right.